As you're learning to edit your PDF files in Lesson 5, one of the tools that's available in Acrobat is not fully presented, and so I want to do a quick video to show you how to add in a header or a footer to your document, or in some ways change it. So in this first assignment, on the next page in the module, you'll be asked to make some changes to the file. The instructions are given step by step, but I thought it'd be a quick overview on a video that might help you be successful. So we're going to go ahead and go over here to Edit PDF. This is your Lesson 5 file. And notice that as I scroll down that you have a cover sheet and then you have this header. Because this is a converted file, I'll have to go through a couple of different steps to get to change the footer, but it's really easy. So you're going to use the header footer tool on the Edit PDF toolbar. And then notice that you have three choices: add, update, remove. At this point, we can't update it. It's going to give us an error message because it's a converted file. But I can add it, and it will recognize that there is a header there. So what it wants me to choose is whether to replace existing or add new. So if we just say replace existing, then it lets us edit what's there. This is the window that has all the changes that we can make. For instance, font size, style, margins, and so forth. So on this particular assignment, you're going to change to the Cambria Bold font. So let me get there. And then we're going to go to 14. And that'll be the only change we make to the font. And then we're going to use the same text that's actually in the original document. So statement of work for Global Corp. That'll be on the left header text. And then for the right header text, we want to add the date. But before we actually add the date and use this button, we're going to come over here to the blue link and change the date format, because month day is great, but oftentimes we want the year as well. So we can just choose this third one, month day, and then 4-digit year. We won't change anything else here because we're not going to do any page numbering. So I'll say OK. I'll click in the right header box, insert the date, and notice that'll be in that format. If you look down here at the example, notice that it has the text and it shows it in the correct font and style. But what I don't want is this header to be on the cover page of this report. So I'm going to go into Page Range Options, choose Pages, go to page 2 and say OK. And now notice it's showing me page 1. There is no header on page 1, but if I go to page 2, there's my header. It also shows me that I do have a footer already, and that's why we're not changing it on this particular assignment. If I say OK, it's now inserted in place of that header that was there originally. So now you'll have that tool to use in your own personal assignments and throughout the assignments of the class. If you have any questions, let me know.